The Zaba residence is located in Invermere, BC, a small town nestled between the Purcell mountain range and the Canadian Rockies. This 1,600 square foot house sits on a slab-on-grade foundation with 12 inches of EPS subslab foam and a 4-inch concrete slab with thickened structural areas of 8 inches. A number of large triple-pane windows and a full pane door allow for an abundance of natural light to pour into the main living area. The other rooms on the main floor are nearly as bright with these large tilt and turn windows. Once the perimeter of each window and door is insulated, it's taped to the window buck to carry the air sealing plane from the wood framing to the window or door frame. Amplicol split release tape is applied on the inside, while Tescon Invis is used on the outside. The mechanical room is located on the top floor. Inside, we'll find the heat recovery ventilation system, which is the Comfo Air Q450 by Zender. Hot water is provided by the Rain Prestige Series heat pump hot water heater. One of the challenges we're currently facing involves the integration of these two systems due to the different models and components, but our HVAC team is hard at work to get these systems running. Like all of our projects, the Zaba residence is a prefabricated house. Everything is built in our shop, shipped to site, and installed using a crane or telehandler. The walls are made up of 2x6 framing and a 9.5-inch I-joist exterior. The I-joist cavities are insulated with cellulose, then wrapped with Solitex Minto 1000 and strapped for siding. The roof is installed in two parts. First, the insulated roof panels are flown up, then the exo layer is installed for ventilation and roofing. Once the roof is up, a surface layer is installed on the interior. One of the challenges we often face with air sealing are at the panel corner connections. Most areas are easily accessible for taping. Some of the more difficult areas require adhesive caulking to complete the air seal. Despite some minor air sealing challenges, our initial blower door test landed at 0.3 air changes per hour, which is within our desired range, but at Collective Carpentry, we're always striving to do better and help elevate the standard of our built environment.